Hello, my name is Isabella and I will be your host today for another mathematics video brought to you by RJ. Today my question to you is, what are all the solutions to a monomial? A monomial is a polynomial with just one term. Suppose we have the following. X squared equals 9. This is simple enough. We take the root of both sides. The two solutions are positive and negative 3. Now, let's do a little more complicated example. Here we have x cubed equals 8. Just like before, we can take the cube root of both sides. We obtain a solution of x equals 2. However, there is a problem here. There are actually 3 solutions, but we only found one. So, where are the other 2? They are complex, literally. We can actually rewrite x in polar coordinates and think of it as a circle centered at the origin. X equals r times e to the I theta. R is the radius and e to the I theta models the circle. This comes from Euler's formula. If we want to solve for x cubed equals 8, then we have r cubed times e to the 3I theta. We now break this into 2 parts. Let's focus on r cubed first. We really already solved this earlier. We just cube root both sides. R equals 2. In other words, the radius of the circle is 2. This graph has real numbers on the horizontal axis and imaginary numbers on the vertical axis. When dealing with the e to the 3I theta part, we just need to divide the circle into 3 equal parts, starting with the positive horizontal axis. We know that a full circle is 2 pi radians. So we have, this is the unit angle. To get all the angles, we need to multiply this by every integer k from 0 to 1 less than the exponent. In this example, the exponent is 3, so the maximum of k is 2. Therefore, each angle is 2 pi k over 3. Thus, the 3 solutions for x are 2, 2e to 2 pi over 3, and 2e to 4 pi over 3. Let me draw these points on the graph. As I said before, all we did was divide the circle into 3 equal parts, starting from the positive horizontal axis. The reason we found only one solution at first is because only one of the points lies on the horizontal axis, which is the real number line. The other points do not. We found 2 solutions for x squared equals 9 because both points laid on the horizontal axis. We divided that circle into 2 equal parts. When there is a monomial, x to the n equals a, there will always be n solutions. And the solutions will be n root a times e to the 2 pi k I over n, where k is every integer from 0 to n minus 1. These solutions are in fact called roots of unity. Now, I challenge you to use the same process to solve for the roots of multi-term polynomials. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.